This week on Wide Eyed Adventures, we taste some whiskey before exploring deep underground. Getting stuck in Tennessee ain't so bad, and after our ride up the mountain in Chattanooga, we still had time to check out Ruby Falls.
Okay, so we just booked our tickets to Ruby Falls.
Yeah.
But we have about an hour and a half to wait. So we are going to a whiskey distillery. I don't know much about it, but you know that. Oh, I thought you did some research.
Whiskey tasting.
Okay, we're going whiskey tasting. That's all we know.
This one's for you, Maddie. Founded in 2011, Chattanooga Whiskey became the first distillery in Chattanooga in over a century. We didn't have a ton of time, but certainly enough for a flight tasting. B27, which is
Bingo.
batch 27. It's a muscatel and sauternes finished. It's 110 proof. Ooh, it's strong. White raisin, coriander, saffron, and hard pretzel with a floral, grassy finish. Look at this guy right here. 110 proof. That'll warm the cockles. Oh, it's got a wonderful aroma. Oh. Batch 27 hails from a limited collection of whiskeys and spirits born of their 100-gallon experimental distillery in downtown Chattanooga. Oh. Totally different than the other ones. Yeah. You can tell it's got like that grassy, granular, salady, green finish to it. Yeah, 100%.
Which one's this? The fifth one?
Yeah, the fifth one.
Ooh.
Experimental batches do sell out fast, while new ones are created continuously. As such, fresh tastings are always just around the corner.
Whoa.
Vapor trails.
Yeah.
But you see that, like that slightly grassy
Yeah.
finish to it? This is their gin, which is, you say, redistilled and has a 6-month age in the whiskey barrel. But, the botanicals, can you ever smell them? Oh, I wish I had some Fever Tree. Wow. I would normally never drink gin straight, but you could have that on the rocks.
Really?
It's almost got a pepperminty finish.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna like that one?
Yeah, you're gonna like
It's
that
not gonna
one.
tingle my whole mouth like the last one?
It's only gonna tingle the bits.
Really? The good bits? Oh. Wow.
Floral, eh?
Oh, you're right. Fever Tree would be so good with
Oh.
that. Like it even smells like Fever Tree.
Yeah. Elderflower. Right?
Oh, that's lovely. Ooh, strong for me without a mix, but it is lovely.
Not far from the incline is Ruby Falls, with a crazy waterfall deep within Lookout Mountain. Ruby Falls lay hidden 1,120 feet under Lookout Mountain until it was discovered by Leo Lambert in 1928. As a kid, Leo would explore the Lookout Mountain caves in the early 1900s, before they were closed for tunneling by the Southern Railroad Company. Leo returned years later, and with help from investors, began digging an elevator shaft. At the 260-foot mark, they discovered a void, a small shaft 18 inches high by 5 feet wide. Determined to find out where the horizontal shaft led, Leo and his partner crawled for 3 hours. and when they could stand, walked another 10 hours before discovering the underground falls. "17 hours after entering, Leo emerged to tell his wife Ruby about the discovery. 3 days later, Ruby joined Leo to see the falls for herself.
Wow.
And the rest, as they say, is history. Today, the Ruby Falls Tunnel is accessed by a glass front elevator dropping 260 feet to the cave entrance. Once underground, the cave tour is quite scenic, with plenty of natural formations to explore. Watch your head. "30 minutes later, we arrive for our first look at Ruby Falls.
Wow. Yeah, that'd be cool to try. I wonder what time that's open till. Wow.
Back above ground, we had a chance to catch a view and reflect on Leo and Ruby's wild attraction.
360. Hey, impromptu, what did you think?
It was pretty cool. I mean, it's a very easy walk, and it's about a 40-minute tour, but you get to see some pretty neat stuff. And the history of the first people that were determined to go and crawl through those spaces. At the end, the waterfall, it's a pretty spectacular waterfall. Underground, they do a great job lighting it. I'd like to come back for the ghost tour.
Yeah. I felt like it was a mystical place. Almost felt like a dragon's den. And then when you got to the end, I don't know, like it opened up into a magical place of waterfalls and mystique. I don't know, it's just incredible. Like, and the way they've done it for tourists, I mean, it's so accessible. I mean, it's easy to maneuver through. I hit my head once, just a little bit. I always do that. But I was holding a camera, so But definitely worth coming. They do an amazing job. And this view at the end is incredible at Lookout Tower.